All right, we're here with the governor. Paul gave you a new nickname tonight. I was unaware of.
Me too. He just makes them up left and right. My titles change. It's a little confusing because sometimes it's the mayor, sometimes the governor. It's just it's confusing.
Tonight was the Vegas nickname. We won't go there. But any quick takeaways from Greg tonight? Any?
Yes. Yeah. Seems like it's all going to be okay. I think maybe it'll be a little slower the next 12 to 18 months, but. The fundamental supply, demand imbalance is still there.
Still there, sure.
So, it seems like job growth is slowing. I'll take the over on his 28,000 jobs in DFW. They anticipate to happen this year. So that seems unrealistic to go from about 240,000 to 28,000. So, 90% decline. That seems a little excessive. But, what I know, I'm not going to try to challenge Greg too much. But I would certainly take the over in the new job growth in DFW.
Yeah, I mean, another economist, not Greg, but they sort of called it just like a slow session. Just like everything's going to slow down. Rent growth's going to be a little bit lighter. But, I mean, you're seeing deals out there, still trying to get stuff to pencil, get under contract. Any strategy out there that people should know about?
Yeah, I mean, I think there's there's still quite a bit of demand. There's not that much inventory out there right now. I think just being proactive. I think everything that's always worked still continues to work. Be a good communicator with the brokers. Be proactive. Be persistent without being annoying. I think those things all kind of work, and be very specific in what your needs are. And, you can be able to communicate, how am I going to raise the money? What am I looking for? How am I going to raise the money? How am I going to get financing to give them confidence that they should go with you and execute? And I think anything you buy in 2023 or 2024, I think you're going to look pretty smart and not too distant future, because I think it's already been a little bit of a retracement in pricing from the peak, and maybe there's a little bit more. And I think a few years down the road, I think you'd be pretty happy that you bought these things. So how do you get from now to, like you said, James, survive to 2025? So how do you get from now to 2025? I think that's really the key.
The next cycle. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, the beginning of the next cycle.
The beginning of the next cycle.
Yeah.
So that's the title for the next one.
Yeah.
All right, man.